on. It's a whole new one.
We're riding my bike up to the church. And we're going to ride down a steep hill. Then I have to go all the way up. And my mom's going to walk up the hill too and stand at the door. And watch me ride down. That hill, but it's way steeper. And I'm okay with steep hills. It's probably as steep as the one over there. But it's way shorter. It's not as short as this here, though. And it ain't as steep.
You're trying to keep up.
My mom's trying to keep up. We gotta be careful and fast going up this part. Because cars come.
So which part are you going up?
The sidewalk thing that goes up to the...
That gravel road?
What?
The gravel road that goes up to the cemetery?
Yeah. And you're coming too. We need to check our old videos, comments and stuff.
Oh, I don't
Of what
think
they
there's any.
comment. Because we haven't done that.
I'm coming. I'm behind you. Go ahead. Up there a little.
You'll catch up.
Yeah.
I need to get up like that sometimes. Because it's easier than coming right up the hill.
Oh.
Come on, you're coming too.
I'm coming. Oh God, this looks different.
I'm going to go because I'm used to it.
When did they put more gravel down? This wasn't here.